Hi guys, how are you doing? Hope you are doing well. Welcome back to LaLaLuna with Anna and Lily. This is Anna. Let's draw a picture for Easter holiday. Now I'm drawing the first picture with 6 petals. Just keep doing slowly, carefully, with each petal with a little curve on the top. Now I finished the first flower. The second one will be a little lower and smaller. But the shape of the petal still the same the first one. Is it behind the first flower too? So the 2 petals are partly hidden. If you're not yet subscribed our channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button for more videos. I almost finished the third flower. Is that. And next will be some leaves. This one will be longer. And this one even longer. And some more here. About 3 or 4 smaller and shorter here too. You don't have to do exactly like what I'm doing, so try to make it look naturally. Look natural, it will be good. Some over here too. Put 3 or 4 under the flower, and I will draw a couple of them more on the right side. This kind of leaves so easy to draw, right? I love Easter. Seeing Easter, if you like spring, you're already here, and with all of the flower. Oh, I want to send you and your family the Easter wishes. May the Holy Spirit of Easter fill your home with hope, love, and peace. Happy Easter! Oh, almost done. I think it's good, right? One more on the left. Yes, pretty good now. Make it a little more crowded. Okay, and now I will use the pencil to sketch the shape of the egg. Because talking about Easter, anybody of us may right away think about the eggs, right? So now I will use the pen to make the line darker. Yes, and that's it. I forgot the video when I color the light blue egg. Right now I'm coloring the right egg with the yellow one. I use the pastel color like light blue, light yellow, and with the flower too, I will use the light pink and light orange, light purple to color the flower, and the same with the leaf. I will use the very light green to color it. The colors are so lovely, and it reminds me of the brightness, of the softness, of the pure, of the spring and Easter. So that's why I choose this color theme. While I'm coloring, I want to share with you a little bit information about Easter. So Easter is a Christian festival and holiday that commemorating the resurrection of Jesus from the dead. It is the culmination of the Passion of Jesus, preceded by Lent or Grace Lent, a 40-day period of fasting, prayer, and penance. Most Christians refer to the week before Easter as Holy Week. I'm not Christian, so the information I just found out on the internet. So if there's something not right, please correct me. One interesting about Easter that I found out that the Easter and the holidays that are related to it are more movable feasts, which do not fall on a fixed date in a Gregorian or Julian calendars, which follow only by circle of the sun. Rather, its date is offset from the date of Passover and is therefore calculated based on the lunar solar calendar, similar to the Hebrew calendar. Oh, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more video. I try to encourage you to subscribe our channel because I think the more people, the merrier, and also it gives us the joy and happiness that our drawing, our video reach more audience. Another thing about Easter I want to share with you guys that the Easter customs vary across the Christian world and include sunrise services, exclaiming the Paschal greeting, clipping the church, and decorating Easter eggs. Easter eggs are symbols of the empty tomb. The Easter lily, another symbol, this is a symbol of the resurrection, traditionally decorates the channel area of churches on this day and for the rest of Eastertide. Additional customs that have become associated with Easter and are observed by both Christians and some non-Christians include egg hunting, the Easter bunny, and Easter parade. There are also various traditional Easter foods that vary regionally. I have one time visited a very traditional Christian family and enjoyed the dinner there for the Easter time. The food is so delicious, and also I often have a Easter bunny chocolate for the Easter time, and I love it too. Just a few days ago, I bought some eggs for the egg hunting in the Easter season. Okay, thank you so much for the watching, and Please give me a like and share if you like my video. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Goodbye and happy Easter!